Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find matching text and highlight in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a paragraph. Now we want to find matching text and highlight. Go to the Home menu and click Find option and write anything in this navigation box. Now we can see volume word is find and highlighted. Now we try some another words. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.